Hello guys, and welcome back to today's Canva tutorial, where I'm going to show you an updated tutorial on how to get Canva Pro for free. Now, I posted a video about 3 or 4 days ago about a Canva tutorial hack where you could press a link in the description and you would get invited to a Canva Teams and you'd get all the pro features. But a lot of the comments were saying that the teams were full and they were at max capacity of 500. So here's a quick fix for this. In the description, you will find a link to a Discord channel, which is my Discord channel. Now, in this Discord channel, I will be posting links for Canva Pro, and what you want to do is just press the link in the description and join my Discord server. Once you're on there, I'll be posting links in there so you can get Canva Pro for free. Now, you have to be quick considering that the max capacity for a team is 500 people. So I'll be updating these links maybe once every week, so you've got to be quick to join. I'll also be looking for moderators to help run this Discord channel. I've got very big plans in the future for it, so make sure you drop me a message on Discord if you fancy helping out. But let's stop the chit chat and let's get straight in the tutorial. Alright, so now we're in Canva with this personal free account. As we can see, it is a free account from this crown here. Try Canva Pro for free. We don't want to do this. So what you guys just want to head into the description and there'll be a link for a Discord server. And you want to just basically put that in your browser and join it. Okay, once you are in the Discord server, you'll find all the channels here and you want to go all the way down to Canva links, Canva Pro links. And here I've managed to find a link online that will help us get Canva Pro for free. Now, I'll be updating these every week, so make sure you join and stay tuned really. And like I said before, if you guys want to help me create this server, I don't really know much about Discord and server creation, so please, I need your help. Anyway, you want to just click on this link here and it'll take you to this weird website. So a lot of stuff will come up, but you just need to ignore it by pressing the X. And you want to press get link, and what it's going to keep doing is just bringing up these rubbish pages. You want to just keep pressing get link, and eventually one will take you to Canva. I think it's on the 6th or 7th time. Here we go. Okay, perfect. Now it says that you've been invited to Cloud9's team. This is perfect. And basically you just want to sign in with a Google account. Okay, and once we are in, we can press not now and got it. And we are in Canva Pro. It said that you'll be added to Cloud9's teams, which is perfect. And to show that this works, we'll go on YouTube thumbnail. And we'll look for, here's a pro design, customize this template, and we'll go over to elements, and now we've got all these pro elements for free, just to show us it works. So thank you guys for watching. So make sure you do join the Discord if you would like to access Canva Pro for free. And like I said before, I'm looking for people to help me run the Discord server. So drop me a message on that if you want to help me out with that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a like if it does work. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you later. Bye.